tornado warning for southeastern Richland County, south central Ashland County, northeastern Knox County, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Belleville, or 11 miles south of Mansfield, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Loudonville, Belleville, Butler, Perrysville, and North Liberty. A flash flood warning for the following counties: